My assistant is pushing me out of my comfort zone and he's making me talk to you guys and not hide behind a voiceover. Today we're going through my entire shoe collection and getting rid of shoes that I no longer wear. We even have more over here. And anyone who wants to come for me, I fear I'm accidentally rage baiting all the clean freaks on Clean Talk, but this is the way I have to do it. I'm ADHD and I need to like display everything. These are really cute, but I've never worn them. We're definitely getting rid of these. These are my decor shoes. These are going on display. Eeny, meeny, miny, no. Keep pile. These are not mine. They're from a showroom. I gotta give them back. Keeping these. I bought tap shoes. These are like trending hard right now. Everyone's wearing these netted flats, and now it makes me like my netted flats. This is the group of shoes I genuinely don't know what to do with. An outfit's gonna need white flats. An outfit's gonna need black flats. Outfit's gonna need black and white flats. Go away, foot fetish people. I don't wear these. I think I'm truly a hoarder. I thought it would be motivating to lay everything out, and displaying them makes me realize how cute everything is. Hopefully, I don't get invited to a rave. Fucking favorite. I have so many boots. Hannah Montana. How do you style this?
What the fuck?
Is it cute? I hate you. Why'd you let me put these on? Did I really just lay out all my shoes to get rid of 4 pairs of shoes?